Hi everyone, I'm Luna. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide apps on Android. Open the settings menu on your Android phone. This is the main control center where you can manage and customize all of your device's features. Next, scroll down to see the home screen option. On some devices, this may appear as home screen and style or something similar depending on your phone brand such as Samsung, Xiaomi or Oppo. Tap on it to open. Now scroll through the home screen settings and see the hide apps option. Once you find it, tap to open. You will now see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list and select the apps to hide. Tap on each app to mark it. After choosing the apps, tap on Done or Save, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. The selected apps will immediately disappear from your home screen and app drawer. Don't worry, they are not deleted. You can always unhide them by going back to the same settings. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quantum Tech Lab for more easy and simple tech tutorials.